Hey class, I am going to introduce you to our two new sight words this week, and I'm going to give you some clues and see if you can guess it. This first one is a word that we can use to describe things that we like. Like maybe we can use it to describe cookies, like cookies taste, or I like it when my dog acts, or it is really when somebody gives me a lollipop. Now, you might have had lots and lots and lots of guesses, so now I'm going to ask you a question. If does your guess start with a G? If it doesn't start with a G, 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 I want you to guess a different word. Okay. So now you've thought of a word that describes something that you like. That starts with a G. Does it end with a D? This is tricky. If you thought that the sight word of the week is good, you are correct. And we're gonna do our blast off spelling so that we can practice spelling it and reading it. G-O-O-D. Good, good, good. And if you look, there are two O's together, and when there's two O's together, they say or ooh. So good, good. G-O-O-D. Good, good, good. Our second one we use a lot when we're writing stories to show when people are talking. So I might say something like this. Hannah said, I like you. Or Tommy said, this snow is really fun outside. Or Adrian said, I wish that I could see all my friends at school. Right? So we can use the word said when we are writing a story and there's people that are talking. And so the way that we spell said is S-A-I-D. Said, said, said. Let's practice that one more time. S-A-I-D. Said, said, said. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stick them in our pile of words that we already know. And it's been a while since we reviewed, so I'm going to go a little bit slow, but I want you to read and spell the word and read it with me, okay? So let's go. G-O-O-D. Good, good, good. Oh. S-A-I-D. Said, said, said. M-A-K-E. Make, make, make. I-S. Is. T-O. Two, two, two. Y-O-U. U. W-H-A-T. What. W-E. We. N-O-W. Now. A. C-O-M-E. Come. A-N-D. And. A-R-E. R. S-E-E. W-I-T-H. With. W-I-L-L. Will. L-I-K-E. Like. T-H-I-S. This. H-O-W. How. M-E. Me. M-Y. My. T-H-E. The. C-A-N. Can. F-I-N-D. Find. G-O. Go. F-O-R. For. I. B-E. B. P-L-A-Y. Play. And I encourage you to watch this before you practice your sight words in your sight words packet. I did include a game to play bingo, a game to play tic-tac-toe, and then also you can write the story. Now, I know that you know some other activities that we can play. You could play guess the word or show me the word with your family. You might just have to teach them the rules of how to play, but I'm sure that they'd love to. You might even be able to play a quick game of baseball with your sight words.